Here's how to scam millions of people with your cryptocurrency. Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. Okay, scams. You love it, I love it. People can't get enough of scams. They like being scammed, they like sharing scams, and most of all, they like making money off scams. Believe it or not, well, you won't believe it. You're being scammed right now. Not by me, well, maybe by me, but definitely by somebody. It can be from your favorite political party, some specific politician you admire, some social media influencer, TV ads, the government, your uncle who likes spreading fake news, a Reddit page, your coworkers, your wife's boyfriend. Anyone and everyone can be scamming you right now, and you don't know it. Worst of all, when you find out, you're not going to admit it. You'll quietly back away and just pretend that expensive thing was just a minor glitch in an otherwise perfect life you have. But maybe you want to be on the other side of the scam. You want to do the scamming. Maybe you figured out a way to make a cryptocurrency and you just want to hype the hell out of it and get suckers to invest in it and run. Pretty simple, and surprisingly it happens all the time. By the way, it's fairly easy to create a crypto. But scams are based on hype, they're based on emotion. Logic is thrown out the window, people behave in such bizarre ways they can never justify. Remember, people are greedy by nature, and since we all live in a capitalist society, this often means money. So play to that vice. Promises may sound cheesy, but they work. You promise to double someone's money in 2 weeks or whatever. The thing is, most people realize this promise may be too good to be true. After all, there's some rational thinking left in these primates. But then FOMO happens. I've made a video about FOMO, so check that out. FOMO is the fear of missing out, and many people realize they might be missing out on $1 million payday. Create enough hype and let neutrons fire in all the wrong directions. Let's refer back to the crypto scam coin idea. You create your scam coin and you get investors to pony up their money. And like most cryptos, most people aren't going to invest their life savings in it. They know better. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification. You know, investing 101 nonsense. So what do? They put in $50 or $100 or something they're comfortable losing, and that's okay. $50 multiplied by 10 million people is $500 million. But every once in a while, oh my god, you'll get some idiot who YOLOs it on your scam coin. Yes, it's usually he, invests his life savings into your scam coin. And oh yeah, I almost forgot about the marketing aspect. You gotta love social media. Make a bunch of memes hyping up your coin. You don't have to even make it too serious. You can put a picture of a dog or a slightly racist frog quoting some clever remark, and that will get the Reddit community upvoting. People waste money all the time on useless crap. What's $50 into a coin they think will make them rich? But I digress. The best part is when your meme marketing efforts attract the attention of some celebrity or social media influencer. They share your memes and maybe even invest some money into your scam coin. Who cares? They don't care. Most influencers don't have souls. He has 10 million followers and probably some of them are brain-dead teenagers with a big decision to make. $20 into your scam coin or an LSD trip with a gym teacher. Once one influencer gets on board, his other influencer friends join the party. Millions and millions more plebs buy your scam coin. At this point, the only way to pump up a crypto with no utility is to just market the hell out of it. Now sure, you can take your money and run, but you're ambitious. You've unlocked the secret cheat code to infinite wealth. Keep going. Millions are for wimps. Go for billions. But before you pull the rug from under these helpless fools, you have to plan for the future. I'm talking about an escape plan. You can't enjoy your hard work if you're in jail. Find a country that has no extradition treaty with US, there are plenty. And that's assuming you were stupid enough to actually be living in the US while you were doing all this scamming. Maybe pick a country that's completely out of the way, but with a good internet service provider. I recommend Oman, it's lovely there, especially in July. And hey, if you want an influencer to market your scam coin, I'm willing to lend my services. I charge $2 million per video, but trust me, it's worth it. High quality videos seen by millions and millions of viewers all around the world who want to get rich tomorrow. But in all seriousness, there's a lot of scams out there, and it's true someone might be scamming you right now, and perhaps you'll never know you're being scammed. The smart thing to do is think before you invest your money into something. If it sounds like it's too good to be true, just walk away. If you just want to try it out and maybe you'll make a lot of money from it, think of it as gambling. You're comfortable losing what you put in. What are your thoughts? What will you name your scam coin? If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.